marshmallows?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you get a marshmallow out? And we'll put it on our stick?
Why? Cat, I'm gonna get it.
Here, I'll hold the bag.
And I can't get it.
Oh, you can't get there with your mitt?
No.
Okay.
You can't get it.
I can get it.
Yes, and I can't. I'm a
They're stuck together in there.
Oh. Stuck together?
Yeah, can you hold this one?
Yeah.
I'll get another one. So how do we cook the marshmallows, Hudson?
We have to get that stick and the fire to cook it.
Okay.
Yeah, and fire.
What kind of stick do we have?
Batman.
A Batman stick?
Yeah, then the Batman.
All right.
You put down this one on.
I'll put this one on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I can cook the whole by myself.
You bet.
But,
Do you want to put the marshmallows by Mummy's chair?
but yeah.
Okay.
Because. Here you go, Mom.
Thanks, bud.
All right. You gonna come sit beside me?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna get the mixing on.
I need my other mitten on. That's right.
Why?
So what do we got to do when we're cooking them? Do we got to turn it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep turning. Just keep turning slowly. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, keep going. You gotta keep going. Keep turning. Oh, hurry, quick, quick, quick.
Why?
Because they're gonna burn. If we don't go fast enough, they might burn.
No. No.
We don't want to burn our marshmallows. Do you? Do you like burnt marshmallows?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bird? I don't.
No.
I don't. Oh,
We like them nice and golden brown, right?
yeah. Oh, yeah. That's not good.
Well, how's our marshmallows look?
Good.
Do you want a little more?
Yeah.
A little bit more.
Yep. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Okay, we gotta be quick with our turn
Why?
so they don't burn.
The don't?
No, our marshmallows.
Why?
Don't want to burn your marshmallow, do you?
No.
Oh. How are we doing?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're good.
They're good now?
No, take them now.
Now you can eat one?
Yeah.
Which one do you like, Hudson?
Not that one.
Oh, watch your hands. The stick is hot. Which one do you want? Do you want this one?
No, this one.
You want that one?
This one.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's all. That's all.
All right, you want to take it?
Yeah.
All right. Now, can you tell everyone in the camera, is it tasty? You say thanks for watching.